All right, class, greatest common factor, lowest common multiple. First things first, we're going to be doing it through the numbers 36 and 126. So start with our little tree. Prime factorization, 2 and 18. 2 times 18 is 36. Next will be, you can do it this way. We'll do 2 by 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. All right, we're done. 126 looks like 263. 63 becomes 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 63. 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay. Next thing we do, we're going to do a Venn diagram. The left side will represent 36, right side will represent 126. Commonalities will be right down the center. So what commonalities do we have? We have 2, 3, and 3. These are all friends. They go in the center. 2, 3, 3. So to solve for GCF, GCF equals 2 times 3 times 3 equals 18. Okay, now, to solve for the LCM. Well, we already used the 2's and the 3's when they pair off, but we are still left with a 2 and a 7. So this is a 36 side. We will add the 2. This is the 126 side. We will add the 7. To solve for LCM, we already know, I'll add this here, times 2 times 7. We already discussed in class the GCF you add here, but I'll write out in the long form. 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Times 3 is 18, we know that. Times 2 is 36. 36 times 7. 42, 7, 4, 21, 252. LCM, 252. All right, that's the method. Perfect. Okay, for the second method, write out the GCF. It is 2 times 3 times 3. Commonalities, right? 2 times 3 times 3. All right. Now we know they'll go into both of them, but now we need to solve for one. So on the 36 column, 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We're missing 1, 2. So we're going to add it here. On the 126 column, it's not 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, because we already know that's 36, so that's not the 126 factor. We are missing a 7. So add it to the end. And this is solving for LCM because we know the red is GCF. Same concept. We already did the math. Equals 252. Two ways of doing it. They're both the same. Now let's check our prime factorization more. Instead of saying your brain just didn't pick the smallest number. So we have 36 here, and you said, you know what? I know 3 times 12 will work. 3 times 12. What's our next number here? We can do 2 and 6. 2 and 3. What do we notice? 2, 2, 3, 3. 2, 2, 3, 3. In the end, both models work. One thing I forgot to add is, erase that, LCM, is that this is equal to 36, and this is equal to 126. So in the algebraic expression way, which I like the most, you're just breaking it down. So it's 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, covers that side. Cover the 126 side, it's 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, 2 times 3 times 3 times 7.